Oh, I'm so glad you came to draw today. We're going to do a 4-leaf clover. And if you look at it, you'll see it's really 4 heart shapes, all touching right at a center point. Ready? Let's get started. Okay, in order to draw, I'm going to give myself a little guideline, a little dot right in the middle, because I want to have a point where they're going to meet. And then I'm going to do a really light guideline, because that's going to help me get the tops of the heart shapes in the right place. So let's start with the first one. 1 heart that reaches down, touches that dot. Nice big full heart at the top there. Now I'm just literally going to turn my paper and let's do another dot. Let's do another heart. Up, and now I'm going to blend it right into that side. Sides of the hearts go all together. Okay, now another one. Up, there we go, blend it in. Next one, blend it in. Turn, it's our last one. Top, rounded, blend, rounded, and blend it in. There we go. Now, at the very base, where's my top and my bottom? Okay, we have the little line that goes part way, but we don't want that all the way. There we go, part way. Kind of shows the little crease in the petal of there. Then we're going to take off the rest of the guidelines before we trace over it. We don't want anything else in there. You know, an artist can use all the guidelines they want, but it doesn't have to show. We don't want it to show in our final piece. Okay, now I'm going to put a stem. So I'm just going to come right between these hearts down here. Nice and narrow, and there we go. There's our stem. Now I'm going to switch over and I'm going to trace it in Sharpie. Ready? Good. Now we're going to erase our guidelines, actually all of the original pencil lines. It looks so cool. We just drew it straight out in a dark marker. Okay, we don't want it to be messy before we put color on it. Clean, clean, clean. Okay, now let's add some color. Ready? Happy St. Patty's Day! Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We've got so many more videos for you.